Metro Manila authorities expect a much better vehicular traffic in the area in the coming days. This is due to the full operation of the integrated bus terminal at Coastal Road. With the opening of the terminal, provincial buses from Batangas and Cavite will have to stop there and will no longer be allowed to proceed further into Metro Manila. Dina Pagibiran reports.
Convenient, efficient, and safe transportation for the passengers, cheaper gasoline and free terminal fee for buses, and less pollution and heavy traffic in streets in Metro Manila. These are some of the benefits that are expected from the newly opened Southwest Interim Transport Terminal in Coastal Road, Parañaque City, where more than 900 provincial buses can load and unload passengers. Buses from Batangas and Cavite will have to stop there and will not be allowed to proceed further into Metro Manila. Passengers will have to transfer to city buses to reach their destination within the Metro Manila.
Merong konting confusion yung first time nakarating dito. Baka kayo first time din, so kailangan ituro kung saan sasakay.
The first day of the full operation of the terminal drew mixed reactions from both passengers and bus drivers.
Oo, mas safe. Safety.
Ang pamasahe ng mga ibang estudyante, sakto lang. Ito doon kinuwenta ko. Kwenta lang naggasto sa anak ko. Ngayon nasa nasa 18 na, papunta pa lang. Paano pagpa-uwi?
Yun nga lang, magulo po. Hindi pa natin, siyempre, sa una lang siguro yan. Magulo pa. Tingnan natin sa ibang araw kung anong sistema.
The terminal in Parañaque City is one of the integrated bus terminals that will be put up in Metro Manila under Administrative Order Number 40. In line with this, the MMDA is pushing for a reduction in fare rates. The proposed bus fare cut is 8 pesos.
Sa mga bus operators, wala silang terminal fee kaya malaki yung savings nila. So dapat na-convert yon sa benefits din ng mga pasahero.
The hearing on the petition will be on August 23. In the meantime, Chairman Tolentino has this appeal to bus passengers.
Tulungan na lang siguro, halimbawa siguro sa Pasay TAF, wala naman siguro silang bubong na ganito. Wala silang air-conditioned lounge. Di ba? Wala silang malinis na restroom. So yun yung mga benefits na mahirap i-quantify.
For the People's Television, Dina Pagibitan.